two basic types of adventitious or added breath sounds are the discontinuous sounds, crackles, and the continuous sounds, wheezes and rhonchi. Crackles are intermittent, non-musical, and brief, like dots in time. Fine crackles are soft, high-pitched, and very brief. Coarse crackles are louder, lower-pitched, and longer. Compared to crackles, wheezes and rhonchi last much longer and sound more musical. Wheezes are relatively high-pitched and have a hissing or shrill quality. Rhonchi have a lower-pitched, snoring quality.